Hi, this is P R Sundar. For a long time, people have been asking me to suggest some good stocks for investment, for long-term investment. And last time, I came out with a few suggestions like Power Finance Corporation, ITC, like that. And today, I'm going to discuss about one mid-cap stock, Sun TV. The Sun TV is promoted by Kalanidhi Maran, and he started a monthly video magazine in 1990 called Poomalai, and later he started this channel called Sun TV. Once upon a time, TV and Sun TV, they are synonymous words. Sun TV were so famous all over Tamil Nadu. People never use the word TV, they use the word Sun TV only. And it was one of the most successful channels in India. And believe me, if I'm not wrong, once I checked, the Sun TV's profit margin was 80%. No other listed Indian company has this kind of profit margin. I think the profit margin has come down to 65-70%. And this was one of the highest profit margin company in India. In 1998, they have started a cable operation also called Sumangali Cable Vision. The father of Kalanidhi Maran, Murasali Maran, was a nephew of DMK chief M. Karunanidhi. And of course, people always say that political affiliation helped these people to grow their business. But not all the business people who are from politically affiliated families do very well. And things were going very well, but in between there were some problems, and Sun TV, they are running 33 channels as of now. They are also running 70 FM channels. They are running 2 newspapers and 5 magazines. So once in one of their newspapers, so they were published a poll which said that MK Stalin is doing best. And MK Stalin is the son of the then DMK chief, Karunanidhi. MK Stalin's elder brother, Mr. Alagiri, he got annoyed, and then this newspaper's office was attacked. I think 1 or 2 people died also. And because of that, this family was separated from the DMK. And then DMK has launched their own channel called Kalaignar TV. But after some time, so they came together once again, and now there is no problem. But I do not know whether this is due to this political affiliation or not. The Sun TV share price is grossly undervalued. The only comparable stock to Sun TV is a Zee TV. And Sun TV always trade at 1/3 of the valuation of Zee TV. And Zee Entertainment, we all know what happened last year. There are a lot of problems. They even defaulted on their debt. And if you check, their earnings per share was in negative, but Sun TV earnings per share has never gone in negative. So because of this political affiliation, I think, if I'm not wrong, the Sun TV valuation is very, very low. Normally, Zee trades around 40 to 45 PE. Sun TV always trade between 12 to 15 PE only. But now, the DMK chief, Mr. Karunanidhi, is no more. Now his son, MK Stalin, is in charge. And in Tamil Nadu, the then Chief Minister Jayalalitha also died. So because of that, there is we can say, political vacuum. Last parliament election, DMK has won 39 seats out of 40 seats. So generally, people expect this time DMK to win the elections. The elections are due in another 6 months. May 2021. And of course, we cannot predict anything about the politics. Superstar Rajinikanth is also launching a party. So how the elections are going to pan out, so that's altogether a different guessing game. But if DMK comes to the power, and then the Sun TV will be seen more favorably by the investors. Because last time, when AIDMK came to the power, there were a lot of cases filed against Sun TV. Now, Sun TV has 33 channels, as I said, running so many FM channels, They are into cable and they are also into DTH, Sun DTH, and they are also into film distribution. And in fact, Kalanithy Maran ventured into aviation business also. He bought SpiceJet, but that did not work out. At some point of time, he had to get out. And the Sun TV share was trading around 500 rupees for a long time. And then one day, there was a case against his brother Dayanidhi Maran, Aircel Maxis case. If you search on Google, you will know. I don't have so much time to discuss. And he was acquitted from that case once by Supreme Court. And that day, Sun TV shot up 25%. And now, after that, it has crossed 1000. I think the all-time high is about 1077. After that, it has come down. Now it is trading below 500. And because for the last 2-3 years, most of the mid caps are doing very badly. Now, in another 6 months, there is election in Tamil Nadu. If DMK comes to the power and if the bull market rally continues, there is an expectation that Sun TV will cross more than 1000 rupees. That means it's almost double in 1 to 2 years. Let us look at some valuations here. Here, I've used a ticker tape for stock analysis, and the link is there in the description if you want to go and explore the ticker tape. So this is a Sun TV price. You can see the chart. The high is 1000 plus. Now it is trading around below 500. And you can see the PE ratio is only 14. Price to book is 3.33. And the most important, it is a good dividend paying company. The dividend yield alone is more than 5%. And that is better than the bank FD return nowadays. And look at the sector price to book. 4.65. Sector dividend yield is only 1.23%. And you can see the intrinsic value, current price is less than the intrinsic value. Stock has been generating better return than FD. Stock offers a good dividend returns. And if you look at the financials, and you can see the revenue keep growing. Of course, this year due to Corona, we cannot expect very good one. Otherwise, for the last 3 years, you can see the revenue keep increasing, profit before tax also keep increasing, earnings per share also keep increasing, and so on. If you look at here, it's a 20,000 crore market cap. Current price is 484 and stock PE is 15.6. Return on capital employed, that's the most important thing, is around 30%. Return on equity is more than 20%. If both return on equity and return on capital employed, if both are above 20%, in my opinion, it's a good stock. And the dividend yield, as I told you, it's already more than 5%. And look here, you can see the operating profit margin here, 65%, 72%, 72%, 63%, and so on. I don't think there is any other good quality mid cap or large cap company having this kind of profit margin. Just to give you some comparison, I'm showing you the Zee Entertainment. You can look at the operating profit margin, 30%, 35%, 33%. And look at the last 3 quarters, minus 29, 8% and 17%. So this is a March quarter where the operating profit margin was minus. And this one is a TV 18. So here also you can see operating profit margin is 9%, 6%, 4%. So these are the comparable stocks. So in a nutshell, Sun TV is a good quality mid cap, available at a very good valuation. It offers a high dividend yield. And if political scenario changes in Tamil Nadu, it can shoot up 100% in next 6 months to 1 year. And even otherwise, at the current prices also, it's a good share to invest for long term, not for short term. And disclaimer, I'm holding some shares in this company, but I always buy shares equivalent to the lot size and keep selling call options to reduce my cost price. Of course, there are certain risks, and since this is a more speculative stock, many times this comes under trading ban in futures and options, where the hedging becomes a little bit difficult. But even without hedging through the call options, and Sun TV is a good buy. And thank you for watching.